Today we're going to discuss about how to download MySQL Server and how to install it on the MacBook. Okay, so let's start. So you can open your browser and can type MySQL download. Here is a link you will find and just click here. Okay, so go to the download section. Okay, then go to the MySQL community GPL downloads. Then we need to install MySQL community server. Okay, just click here. Okay, so now it will automatically detect my OS, that is a Mac OS, its version. Okay, so if you're using M1 and M2 MacBook specifically, okay, so you can download the first option. Okay, just start push the button of download and it will start downloading. Okay, so here I already downloaded it for my installation purpose. So I can see here this is my okay. So now if I install, let me open it, let me double click. Okay, it's let me allow the package to continue. This is the user agreement license. You can read if you want. Continue, agree. You can change the installation as well. So for this specific, it's going to acquire a space of 699.8 MB on my computer. Okay, so let's start. You can change the installation location as well if you need. Just type install. Okay, so it's asked for the password. Let me pass my password. Okay, so it's started. Okay, so you can use strong password encryption method or use legacy password encryption. So I'll go with the default option. Next. Okay, so it will ask me to type a password. The reasonable password consists of at least 8 characters that are mix of the letters, numbers and other characters. So let me give the password. Okay, so this is my password, and you can take the option if you wish, if you want to start the MySQL server when after the installation is complete. So make it default, finish. It will again ask you the password. Okay, let me pass the password in. Now it's done. Okay, so my password is, so you can see the message installation is completed successfully. Okay, yeah, and then I think once the installation is done, we can move the setup, that the package file into the bin. Okay, thank you.